Messy bun versus the sleek French twist. Which would you pick? Let me show you how I style this in under 10 minutes. Since we're going to be working with a French pin, I thought it only made sense to actually talk about what a French pin is. It's this U-type looking thing. And as you can see, it has this curve to it. This curve is what is actually going to go against your head when you secure the pin in. So now that we've talked about what a pin is, let's talk about how to use it. First thing that you're going to do is grab your hair into a low pony. With the other hand, you're simply going to twist it counterclockwise. And then you're just going to tuck in these hairs until you're left with this beautiful French twist. With the curve facing out, you're going to put your French pin in your hair like so, and then you're going to slowly and gently flip it and then push down. That's it. Easy, right? Okay, now this is where we can get creative. I personally like to leave my hair out like this, kind of just doing its thing. Now you can have bangs, you can pin them back, totally up to you, but this is the first hairstyle. This is probably my favorite just because it's the easiest one to do. You're not having to pin anything out, and it just is really playful, really cute, very flirty, if you will. I call this one the French twist with curls. All you need is your French pin. So what I do is I section off my bangs. And then I grab the rest of my hair, put it into a low ponytail. With your opposite hand, you are going to twist your hair counterclockwise and then pull your hair up. Tuck in any needed hair until you're left with this beautiful French twist. With your French pin facing the direction of a wide U, you're going to push it up into your hair, flip it, and then gently push it down. And this is what you're left with. Now, if you want to, totally optional, you can secure it with a couple of bobby pins. So once you've secured your bobby pins in your French twist, you'll grab the rest of your hair, let it naturally fall to the side. You can fluff it out a little bit like this. And then what I do is I just grab a small little piece and then I secure that into the French twist. And you're left with this really effortless, expensive looking French twist with curls. And now for the front, you can either leave your bangs out like this, or what I like to do, just because this one looks really sleek, I like to grab this bang, comb it out like this, and just lightly tuck it behind my ear. Same thing for the other side. What do you think? Do you prefer the bangs out or tucked away? Let me know. This next one I call the sleek French pin twist. Again, you'll just need your French pin and some bobby pins for extra hold just in case you want it. Totally optional though. Start by grabbing your hair into a low ponytail. With this hand or the opposite hand, twist, and then start tucking it in, like so. Grab your French pin, push it up, flip it, and then bring it down again. Now, what you're going to do with these two strands is just tuck them into the French twist. I'm going to grab a couple of bobby pins just to secure this hair in. Now you're left with this almost double French twist. This one is giving breakfast at Tiffany's. Where would you wear this hairstyle to? I call this one the playful French twist. So I like to grab a bangs for this one. I feel like the bangs soften up the look and make it more youthful, more playful, more like everyday, if that makes sense. Okay, so same thing. Start off with grabbing your hair at the bottom, and then same thing, twist it up counterclockwise, tuck in this hair, continue to just twist until you feel that it seems secure. I'm starting to sound like a broken record, but with your French pin in the direction of the wide U, you're going to push it up into your hair and then slowly flip it and then gently push it down. There you have it. Now, if you want, you can add a bobby pin. So I secured this part here, and then I'm just gonna grab another random piece, twist it up, grab another pin. You can just get creative with this one and start pinning back whichever hair pieces you would like to pin back. I'm gonna get this one too. Push it in. Pretty satisfied with the way that this looks. I think this one is very elegant, timeless, and pretty. And that's it. I like the way that the gold is just slightly popping through. It just gives it this really pretty feminine feel. I hope you enjoyed these 4 French pin hairstyles. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite.